Hi, welcome to this channel, a place where we talk about doing business in Africa. And today, I want to talk about small businesses you can start from your home in Africa. Do you live in Africa? Then this video is for you. I want to talk about businesses that you can do from your home in Africa, and they are low-cost businesses, ideas that you can start right away, whether you are looking for a side hustle or something to go all in. These ideas are budget friendly, easy to start, and will fit perfectly in Africa. So grab your notepad, stay tuned, and watch to the end because I have a bonus for you. I have something to give away. So I want you to stay tuned to the end. Now let's begin. The first business you can start from your home in Africa is homemade snacks for your catering services. Africans love delicious food, and starting a small catering service or selling homemade snacks like pastries, local dishes, or healthy treats can be a great way to earn a lot of income. Do you know why? Because Africans love delicious food. Africans love food that are tasty. So if you're a good cook, you can cook from home and sell it out to people. I've seen many home-based chefs in Africa creating a thriving business just by cooking meals and selling them through social media. It's a great way to turn your passion of cooking into profit. People are cooking from home and they are selling it. You can cook from home, sell it to people in offices, sell it to people in schools, even sell it to busy people. I know somebody who does home food and he sell it to people in their homes. There are people who are very busy, they cannot cook, so they hire people to cook for them for the whole week. So because they are very busy, they go to work and come home very late, so they hire people to cook for them. And when you are doing such business from your home, you can make a lot of money. Now the second businesses you can do from your home that is very lucrative, it's hairdressing or barbering from your home. Do you have a skill of hairdressing or have a skill of barbering? You can do this in the comfort of your home. You need to set up a small place, clean and nice in your home, and people will come and barber whilst you're at your home. Do you know something about this thing? People are very personalized. In fact, Africans are very personalized. If they know they can have their personal barber, they are going to come to you. And also, for you also, you can also render home service to people. You can go to people's home and barber for them. And because you know you're coming to their comfort zone, they are going to patronize you. So why don't you get into this if you have this skill? If you don't have this skill, don't worry. You can learn hairdressing and barbering within a short possible time, and you can do it. Also, if you are in a corporate world, you're having another business, this can be a side hustle where you can barber for people only on Saturdays or weekends. Just imagine, I don't know how much you charge in your country, but if, assuming you charge maybe $2 for a haircut, you can barber 10 people on a Saturday. You have $20 on a Saturday, one day. This is a good side hustle. You can convert this into your local currency and see how much money you are making just from this skill where you are doing it from your home. The next thing is a virtual assistant or a social media manager. You can start this business from your home because all you need is a laptop and an internet, a good internet, of course. And you can virtually assist companies, assist managers, assist businesses right from the comfort of your home. You see, in this digital expansion in Africa, a lot of businesses have gone online and they are coming on that platform on social media to advertise themselves, to show themselves to the public. And they will need somebody. In fact, they need somebody who can manage their social media for them by posting, replying comments, replying messages, liking people's comments for them. And you can do this at the comfort of your home. And this business is a very lucrative business because you can work for more than one companies and you're going to receive a good salary. You can do this thing. Then the next business that you can start from your home in Africa is online tutoring or coaching. Do you have a skill? Do you have a knowledge? Are you an expert in a certain field? People will pay to know more. People will pay to have that skill also, to have that knowledge also. And you can do this from the comfort of your home. You can teach them online using Google Meet or using Zoom. Any skill you have, people want to know. Do you have a skill of barbering, as I said earlier on, or hairdressing? Do you have a skill of writing? Do you have a skill of teaching? Any skill you have, even if you have a skill in music, you can teach people how to sing, and you can do all these things online and in the comfort of your home. And you are going to make a lot of money out of this thing. Look within you. Look for a skill that you have. Look for a knowledge that you are expert in. And go out there, begin to teach people online. Begin to coach people online. And you are going to make huge sum of money from this. And the beauty of this is that you do it from your home. And also, you can do it as a side hustle. When you come back from a daily job, you can get 1 hour, 2 hours to handle this. Or a weekend, you can handle this. And this is going to earn you an extra income. The last is selling homemade or handmade products. You see, in the comfort of your home, you can start a small business like soap. You can make soap for bathing, soap for washing. You can make it from the comfort of your home, because the requirement of this thing is not huge. The equipment are not huge. Something moderate that you can do from your home and sell it. You can do soap and sell. You can do ice creams and sell. You can do popcorns and sell. You can do a homemade product. You can even give local dishes from your home and sell. You can do bracelets, necklace, caps. All these things can be done from the comfort of your home. And you are going to make a great chunk of money. Very, 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 very good money. So I'll urge you to go into this things. Now, these are the skills. These are the business ideas I would like to share with you that you can start from the comfort of your home. If you found these tips very helpful, please click the like button, share, and subscribe for more business ideas. Now, because you have stayed, I want to give you a giveaway or a bonus. Now, before that, let me give you these key words. Small businesses you can start from the comfort of your home in Africa. Business number 1, homemade snacks or catering services. 2, hairdressing or barbering from home. 3, virtual assistants or social media manager. 4, online tutoring or coaching. And the last one, selling homemade or handmade products. I want you to follow for more, subscribe for more. Now, if any of these businesses I've listed here, you are excited about any of them, just write it in the comment section, and I'm going to help you to establish this business. Yes, write in the comment section, and I'm going to help you to establish this business. Please subscribe for more if you have not subscribed. Thank you.